So we're heading back to the car to drop off the stuff, and then we're just gonna chill for a little bit because it is kind of hot, and then we'll head back, grab something to eat.
Yeah.
They probably rocked anybody from 3 laps out of qualifying. He Fraser did not run yesterday. And stays okay. Now Angel Hernandez here on the left. Sport front wheel drive, need you to 3 and 4, please. Sport front wheel drive, need you to 3 and 4. Sport front wheel drive, 2, 3, and 4. Nothing good. Westfield Auto Works all wheel drive, 5 and 6, please. Westfield Auto Works all wheel drive to 5 and 6 in. All wheel drive to 5 and 6, please. Into that category, it must be parked. Again, 18 years of age or older with a valid driver's license or an operating vehicle. If you are under the age of 18 and don't have a valid driver's license, can't use it. If you are over the age of 18 and you don't have a valid driver's license, can't do it either.